Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the before and after tune-up report for the chainsaw in Kentucky. Chainsaw, I just want to show you what it's doing here out of the box. Some other shop had this unit and they charged the customer for a tune on it. So let me just show you what we got. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. So it's keying 5 watts all the way down. Let's roll it all the way up. So it's keying 15 all the way up. So that thing's way out of whack there. Average power swing, low, swinging 35 average. 500 watt slug and peak, hello. Kind of bounced around there, 400, 450. So this average power still being about 35 watts. It should be about 115. So we're gonna get in here and work on it. We'll be back.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.
All right, and we are back. Chainsaw will get you fixed up. Tuning alignment here and clarifier mod. We're gonna start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug, 25 watts all the way down. Now if you remember before, it was keying 15 watts all the way up and it was swinging to 30 bird. So let's just see what it's swinging bird from 25 watts. See if we picked up anything. Low, wow, 100 bird. So we have picked up about 400%. Let's go to RF power wide open. Right at 120. Show you average power swing. Low, 205 bird average. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello in the corner. Mercy. Stick 1,000 watt slug in there. Hello. 590. This thing is rocking, chainsaw. All right, man. It's ready to come to you, bud, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truck rise today.